Expo 2025 and we are here at the stall of Solitex Solar. And I'm speaking to Mr. Sachin Agarwal, CEO Solitex Solar. Let's start a brief introduction about Sachin Agarwal. Hello sir.
Hello.
Could you let me know about yourself? Also give a brief overview about your company as well.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm CEO of Solitex Solar. It has been close to 20 years of working, specifically into power sector and 16 years in solar industry. I've been working in various companies right from Jindal, Thermax, Larsen & Toubro, Reliance, Godrej, and many more companies. Right now I'm heading the Solitex Solar. So this is the brief about myself. And coming to the company, the company is a recently developed company. The product has been ALMM approved in October only, and we have a big plans for delivering to this sector, and which we are going to talk in details in our further or forthcoming interview.
Is there a latest product that you want to discuss, with us? So, and what are the key technical features of that, latest product?
So, if I talk about the latest product, it is G12R. It is again a top-on bifacial product, and the efficiency of this product is close to 25%, which is one of the highest in the industry.
As you mentioned, G12R, right? This is your latest product. So, how it is different from other models?
So, when I talk about different modules, so Monopack is the latest model. Not the latest model, but then it is the prevalent model in the industry. The watt peak or generation capacity of that panel is 550 watt peak. Then again we moved to 600 watt peak, and now we are talking about 650 watt peak panel. So again, if you look at 650, it is one of the highest.
What are your views on the recent GST reduction for solar components, and how will this impact pricing and adoption?
So GST reduction, actually it has helped companies in adopting the solar technology. So earlier when we say it is 13.8% GST, now it has been reduced to 8.9%. So the benefit that you are drawing out of 5% reduction in the setting up of the solar plant, it is going to help the masses, especially the developers. They are going to benefit a lot.
Now, it's time to wrapping our conversation. Would you like to convey any message to your customers?
Only the one message I want to convey to the entire industry. We had spent a lot of money into the fossil fuels. When I say fossil fuels, whether it is you are driving your car, your vehicles, you are using AC, everything we are using coal or fuel. So it is right now it is time to change our usage of fuel, and we should move to renewable source of energy, whether it is solar, whether it is wind. So everyone should move to renewable. So that is what I want to convey.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.